The Ring Design Committee is honored to introduce the Class of 2020 Nicky Giovanni Ring Collection. Named for core values and traditions of the university. The 1872 Ut Prosum, Brotherhood.
Honor, loyalty, sacrifice, leadership, duty, and service.
The Virginia Tech Ring has been redesigned by each class every year for over a century. Introducing the 2020 ring, the Giovanni. Created to highlight our experiences as a class and as Hokies. The university side of the ring incorporates the oldest and most traditional aspects of Virginia Tech's 146-year history. Footprints climb up Brush Mountain, and Hokie tracks climb down, signifying our journey at Virginia Tech, from the moment we arrive to the day we graduate. 3 stars represent past, present, and future Hokies who carry Virginia Tech traditions with them throughout their lives. Flanked by the flags of the United States and the Commonwealth of Virginia, Burris Hall, completed in 1936, sits proudly on the drill field as the historic foundation of campus. 1872 marks the year Virginia Tech was founded as Virginia Agricultural and Mechanical College, a land-grant military school. Torgerson Bridge, named after 14th President Paul Torgerson, spans over Alumni Mall, framing the 8 pylons of the War Memorial. The pylons represent the core values of Virginia Tech: brotherhood, honor, leadership, sacrifice, service, loyalty, duty, and ut prosum. Featured on every ring since 1911, the Screaming Eagle is a majestic symbol of strength and courage. 7 stars salute the 7 Virginia Tech alumni awarded the Congressional Medal of Honor. The university's motto, Ut Prosum, that I may serve, was established in 1896 and remains an enduring principle of Virginia Tech. An original feature on the Virginia Tech class ring, crossed sabers, remind us of the university's military heritage, history, and traditions. Lest we forget is etched on the rock, a memorial on Upper Quad, honoring the Virginia Tech alumni who gave their lives during World War I. The university shield, created in 1896, represents the agricultural and mechanical emphasis in the university's first century. The Corps of Cadets crest embodies the very tradition upon which the university was founded as an all-cadet military academy. The Flaming VT is a long-standing tradition with the hotel company of the Corps of Cadets.
As each of us embark on our own paths, the class side of the 2020 ring threads all of our stories into one. It reflects the unique mark we have made as Hokies and builds upon the traditions and community of Virginia Tech. 32 Hokie tracks circle the bezel of the ring in remembrance of those lost on April 16, 2007. The opening notes of Metallica's Enter Sandman echo out of Lane Stadium, calling every Hokie to start jumping. Our sophomore year began with a rare solar eclipse. A Virginia Tech game day tradition, the ever-galloping horse on a treadmill is a student and crowd favorite, appearing on the Jumbotron at every home game. ACC is portrayed in the North Stands to recognize Virginia Tech's proud membership in the Coastal Division of the Atlantic Coast Conference. Fireworks, the parachuter, and Let's Go Hokies remind us of the excitement of ESPN College Game Day in Blacksburg. The historic Skipper Cannon triumphantly fires off with every Hokie touchdown. Coach Justin Fuente proudly stands on Worsham Field. He holds the Black Diamond, signifying victory over West Virginia, and the Commonwealth Cup, the annual prize for beating the University of Virginia 14 years in a row. The Southgate Interchange Bridge welcomes Hokies home, serving as the newest entrance to campus. Our current and beloved university mascot, the Hokie Bird, is confident of a promising future and continued excellence. Number 10 on the Hokie bucket list, a 2-mile hike to the Cascades, provides a scenic view of the breathtaking 66-foot waterfall. The Fighting Gobbler stands as a reminder of proud Virginia Tech traditions. The Class of 2020 logo is flanked by the GPS coordinates of the very center of the drill field, leading every Hokie home. Our class motto, De Eodem Saxo, reminds us that as Hokies, no matter where we come from or where we're headed, we are all from the same stone. The April 16th Memorial honors and remembers our 32 fallen Hokies and acknowledges the strength and unity of the Hokie Nation. Pathways on the drill field intersect to create 2 X's as Roman numerals for the number 20. A hammock provides a relaxing retreat on warm, sunny days on campus. A furry friend to everyone, Growly 2 serves proudly as the beloved canine ambassador for the Corps of Cadets. A Ferris wheel, tent, and ribbon convey our passion for drill field events like Gobblerfest, the Big Event, and Relay for Life, strengthening our relations with the Blacksburg community. The inspiration for our motto, Hokie Stone, is seen all around campus, on buildings old and new. The Ring Design Committee is proud to reveal the 110th Virginia Tech Class Ring. This lifelong symbol of Hokie pride is now a part of the extraordinary lineage of rings past, each a remarkable chapter of the Virginia Tech story.